Hello fam, hope you guys are doing well. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can earn free USDT on the BYBIT exchange. If you don't have a BYBIT account, ensure to check the link in the description section or check the pinned comment section. Then just use my referral link and you can basically earn a lot of free rewards. Okay, so this process is like very easy, all right? You might have known about this, or probably this is going to be your first time to know. If you basically have like what cryptos that you are not using, all right, like probably you have just purchased them and you just want to keep them for maybe 1 month, 2 months, 1 week, 1 year, 4 or 5 years, the case might be, you can basically what go ahead and just like what earn money, all right? You can basically earn more USDT and others. So for before I start, let me just show you that I've been doing this. As you can see here, you are seeing earn, right? And if I tap, basically you are going to see what buy bit, and let's just wait for this to open and I'm going to like show you some of the previous like earnings that I've been doing. Okay, and after then I'll show you how you can basically go ahead and do this. So I'm going to come to what all orders. Okay, I'm going to come to all orders. As you can see, just let me just go, you see. All right, so you can see this is 2023, the 8th month, 20 and the 24th of the 8th month. You see, this is what the first. All right, 2024. This is what the fourth. This is the 6th. You see, this is the 19th, the 20th, and you just see. All right, so you just like go ahead and you just like see. All right, so what I'll do is I'm going to basically like unstake this. Okay, I'm going to unstake this and I'm going to show you guys how you can basically earn what free USDT. All right, or any other crypto. It can be Bitcoin, it can be Shiba, it can be Solana, and as the case might be, depending on what you want. So for me to do this, I'm going to unstake. Alright, I'm going to just tab in here. I'm going to unstake. Okay, unstake. Okay, let me just transfer. And I'm going to like unstake everything. Confirm. Alright, so which means you see, I have nothing else here. So you see, I have nothing again. So if we come back here, you are going to see inverse, there's nothing here. So now you are saying I've transferred to my unified account. So guys, let me just start explaining this. This is what BYBIT and okay, this is BYBIT and all right, this is BYBIT, and what you are basically supposed to do is you just come here at the top and you just like go ahead. Okay, this where you are seeing this arrow pointing BYBIT and all right, you just tap BYBIT and so you just like what type the tab that icon BYBIT and it's going to take you to this page. Okay, and when it take you to this page, its process is like basically easy. You are just going to what stake whatever assets you want to stake, but make sure the money is in your funding wallet. Okay, so now you can come back below here to wallet. This is currently in our unified. Okay, in our unified, so you need to make sure like what the crypto or the USDT is in your funding wallet before you go ahead and stake. So the first thing you need to do is like you just tap in here. All right, so we have, let's say, USDT. We want to like what transfer. You just tap in what transfer USDT. Okay, we transfer. So from what you see from the top, from what unified trading to funding, we want our USDT. If you want to like stake another coin, you can see these are the coin that you want to like transfer. You can just go ahead and select the coin. So for now, I'm going to stake what USDT. So after this, I'm going to say I want to stake all. Okay, so I'm going to tab in confirm. I'm just going to tab in confirm. Okay, now I have no USDT in my what unified account. Now this is my funding account, so I'm going to go back and you're seeing this BYBIT and at the top. Just tap BYBIT and okay, just tap BYBIT and let's wait for it to load, and I'm going to show you how you can basically like what earn free USDT. So this is the platform. Okay, this is the portal. So this is not only for USDT, this can be for other cryptos. Like you can see, this is what we have USDT here, We have BTC. You can stake also. This is what the return of investment. All right, the ROI within 1.5% to 1,160%. We have Solana, Ethereum, USDC, MNT, DAI, Ada. You see, these are all like what cryptos you can basically stake, and there are a lot of them. Okay, there are a lot of them. So if you basically have like any of these cryptos, you can basically just what like lend them. Okay, whenever you need them, they are going to be available for you to use instead of like just buying the crypto and leaving them on the exchange. All right, so at least you know like you earn pot passively. So now let's say you want to do like USDT. You can just like you see here, we have this duration flexible, which means you can take your crypto at any time. Okay, anytime like you need. You can either come down here, you have this steady, or you have this. You just scroll at the top, you see flexible basically means whenever you want your crypto, you're going to like get. All right, then they have another ones, which means you can lock for 3 days, you can lock for 7 days, 1 month. I like see BTC 1 day. So if you close this now, you are not going to receive your Bitcoin until after what 1 day. Okay, this is Ethereum. This is what fixed duration as well. All right, you are going to get up to 7%. All right, of the amount of Ethereum you are going to stake. This is USDT flexible. So I'm just going to tab in here. All right, flexible. All right, savings. Now you can basically go ahead from 1 USDT to 30 million USDT, which you can basically stake. Okay, so as you can basically like see from here, you are seeing what the account from funding account, right? This is the amount you have. You can basically tap. If you want, you can select this. All right, you can basically use your unified, but it is good for it to be in your funding account. So now you just like look here, this is the amount. So if you want, you can enter what 5. All right, maybe you just want to stake 5 USDT. This is your estimated all right profit, daily profit you are going to make 0.0033 USDT every day. All right, this is what you are going to be making every day with this one. So let's say I want to stake all of this my 43 USDT. So you see 0.028. This is like daily. So let's say you probably have like Bitcoin that you are not using, you have Solana or other coins, or even USDT that you are basically like not using. You can just come to the BYBIT and you just like stake. You just leave it there. Okay. You can also turn auto savings on. This is basically like where like if you are not using crypto, BYBIT will automatically what just collect them and what like stake them for you, and you just tend to what make profit. Okay, so you are saying if you are like going basically at below 500 USDT, you can receive from 8% to 16.51%, and above that you are basically going to receive 16.51% and above. So this is what you are going to do. So the next thing you are going to do is like you just tap. Okay, you just tap this particular area. I have read and agree to BYBIT terms and policy. All right, you just tap this. I always okay. All right. So as you have selected this, I have read and agree to the terms and policy of BYBIT and everything. You just tap in stake. This is very easy. So you see, successfully what stake. Your estimated APR, all right, is going to be 24%. So out of this 43, they are going to give me 24% of 43 USDT. Flexible, all right, flexible. This basically means you can withdraw your USDT at any time. Tabbing confirm. All right, so you can now go back. When you go back, you come below here to assets. So you are going to see like what this is the an invested product. If you just tab in here, you are going to see how much you are basically going to be making. They are going to be paying you like every 24 hours. Okay, this is basically how you can earn what free USDT or free crypto on the BYBIT exchange. All right, so if you don't like you are like you have cryptos that you are not using, you can basically go ahead and just use them. So you might be asking, how can I like what if I want my crypto? How can I get it? You can just come again, open, and you just tab in here. All right, and you tab in again, and you say what on stake. As soon as you tab in on stake, then you are good to go. It is going to be available for you, whether you want to send in your unified trading account or your funding account, and you can basically use your crypto, be it in USDT, BTC, Ethereum, or as the case might be. So guys, this is how you basically earn free USDT on the BYBIT exchange. If you find this tutorial like value, it's gonna make my day. If you subscribe to the channel, if you have not subscribed, like this video, and if you have any question, drop them in the comment section. And you can also check our BYBIT playlist, alright, where we talk about how to withdraw, how to deposit, and how to do spot trading and derivative trading on the BYBIT exchange using your mobile phone. Thanks a lot. See you on my upcoming videos. Stay blessed.